Hey there, today we're going to look at how to use Trello for project management as a beginner. So let's get started. First, open Trello and click on your profile icon in the upper right corner. Over here, click on Create a new workspace. Then name your workspace and choose the type of workspace like business, education, or personal. Then click Continue again. Now click on Create New Board and give it a name. Then click on Create to make your board. Over here, add lists like to do, in progress, and finished. Then under the to do list, click Add a card and name the task. After that, click on the card to open more options. Then click Checklist to add steps inside the task. Over here, type each task and click Add. Then click on Dates to set a due date and press Save. After that, to move tasks between lists, just drag the card from to do to in progress or finished. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.